Hey guys, welcome to Python video series. In this video tutorial, I'm going to talk about one of the very important feature in Python inheritance that is called MRO, Method Resolution Order. So to make this demo, I'm just going to use my previous demo code. So here you can see I have a two class X and class Y, and class Y extend class X, right? And in class X I have one variable and two method or functions. Similar in class Y I have one variable and two function. Now uh, now here in this both the classes we don't have constructors. So first of all I'm going to add a constructor in superclass, right? That is our case, that is superclass is X. So here let me add one constructor, and in this constructor just I am printing init from X, right? Now I'm going to create an object of subclass which is Y in this case, and if I run this class, as you know, when you create an object of any class, then a constructor is getting called from that class. But in subclass we don't have any constructor, right? Then let's see what happens if I run it. Let me run it explicitly. So here you can see I could show you here it is getting printed init from X, means superclass constructor is getting called. But as of now we don't have any constructor in subclass, and that's the reason superclass constructor is getting called. Let's say if I add one constructor in subclass itself, let's say I would say init from Y, and if I run the same program, then let's see the output. So it is calling the subclass constructor itself. If there is already constructor in the subclass, then that is getting called, else superclass constructor is getting called. Is this possible to call the superclass constructors as well? Of course that is possible using the super keyword, right? Super function call already we have seen in the previous video tutorial. So using super keyword you can access all the properties and functions from the superclass. Here you can see I can access data X, X2 and X1, both I can access from the superclass, right? And even I can call the superclass constructor as well. So if I call the superclass constructor, after that I'm printing it from X. Let me show you. So it is saying that init from X and init from Y. That means this is calling superclass constructor and again coming back, and that executes the rest of the code from the subclass constructor, and that's how we get this output, right? Now twist comes when let's say there is no subclass superclass relationship between these two, right? These two class is independent class, and now I have another class, let's say class Z, right, which basically extends class X and class Y, because in Python multiple inheritance is allowed, right? Now here in this class I'm going to add properties and features. So let's say I have properties data Z equal to, let's say, 30, and I have a function, I have a constructor, so I'd say init from Z, and accordingly I'm going to change, let's say Z1, I would say Z1, then Z2 and Z2, right? Now this class extends both the classes, right? Now I'm going to add constructor in this class as well. Okay, there is already constructor, so I don't need to add. Now I'm going to create a constructor of Z, right? So it's a Z equals to Z. I have created a constructor. Now if I run this class, now let's see the output. What's the output is coming? So output is coming init from Z. So of course, so it is calling us basically a constructor of Z only, because I have created an object of Z. Can we call the constructor of superclass? Of course we can call, how we were calling earlier. So I would say super dot, whenever I say super dot, then I can call all the properties and functions from the superclass. In this case we have a two superclass, X and Y. So I can call all the properties and functions of these two superclasses, right? Apart from that I can call the constructor as well, right? So I'm going to call the constructor now. Now thing is that which constructor is going to getting called? Now we have a two superclass constructor, right? Constructor in X and constructor in Y. Which constructor is getting called, right? Let me show you. If I run, then it is saying that of course I'm creating an object of Z, so constructor of Z will be called because that is for Z, and it makes call to the super constructor. Here it is printing init from X, right? And finally this statement getting printed, means this first line of output clearly showing that it is calling the init function or constructor of superclass X. Why not Y? And that is called MRO, method resolution order. Method resolution order says if your class extends multiple classes, that means if a child class is having multiple parents, then it will resolve the order from the left to right. So from left to right we have a, first of all, leftmost is the X, right? So that's why it is calling init method of left superclass, right? That's a, let's say I would like to call the init function or constructor of Y, then just you have to reverse the order. I would say Y comma X. Now it is going to call the init function or constructor of Y itself, because now leftmost is Y. Let me show you. If I run, then here you can see init from Y is getting called, right? This property is called method resolution order, right? So make sure that whenever you have a multiple inheritance in Python, then method resolution or MRO comes into the picture, and that will resolve this ambiguity. Yeah, so that's all I wanted to discuss in this video tutorial, guys. Big thank you for watching this video, and see you there in the next video tutorial.